Okay. Alex is going to jump on the bed. Have her go closer to the middle of the bed.
Emmy, no.
There you go.
Oh.
Okay, now you get up. Jump. Okay, Alex is jumping. See what Emmy does. He's jumping. And what is he doing?
When be jumping?
Okay, sit down. Now do something else.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. He knows how to do this. Emmy. Emmy. Yes. Emmy. 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 Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Don't teach her how to smack herself.
She does it all the time.
Okay, you jump.
Huh?
You jump. Now he's sitting down again. Okay, now stand up and do it. Let's see if what she's doing. There you go.
Mom, next can we do that deep song again?
Yeah.
Yay. Can we record it?
Sure?
Yay!
Okay, there you go. Okay. Emily, let her go. Let her go. Go ahead, Emmy. Go ahead. Say bye-bye. Alex, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
She fell on her butt.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.